Now in this presentation, what I'm going to do is take you through the links section. We've had a look at the dashboard, we've gone through the contacts, we looked at the timetable in the last couple of videos, and in this one we're going to go to links. So what is links all about? The link section is a way to organize your links, to find them, to make it easy for you, because we actually, in our business, we spend a lot of time going to websites, going to Facebook pages, to different social media. So you need to be organized in the way you manage your links, and you don't want to have to go out and have them sort of hodgepodge in browsers. By having everything here and bringing it into here, you're going to make your life a lot easier. So how does this work? Let's just start from, we'll look firstly at the layout of the links. So along the top here, there's a little finder icon there, which I'll explain in a minute. You've already seen how the finder works in others, but we'll go through this one. We've got level here, so we can sort it in the level, and it goes right through from A to Z. So there's lots of options there. Then the order, you can actually decide how you want it in a specific order, number-wise. So that can be numbered, and you can put that in whatever order you like. You can sort it by the title. So if there's a reason to do that, you can do that. I don't know if there's a lot of reason to do that, but you can. Then there's the URL. This is not sortable because it's unnecessary. The keywords, you can put keywords in here as well, and you can sort those keywords. And then comments. Now, I'll just come up to the top here and show you how to, first of all, to make a new link. So all you're going to do is hit that cross there, and it produces a new line for you. It'll always produce a line underneath whichever one you've got selected. So at the moment I had the top one selected, so therefore it's here. So let's just say I want to make this, put this under D category, and then under D level, and then I want it to be, the third in order. Here I choose a category, so I want to make it social media. And then I might put in Twitter there for G4. And then I put in my URL there. I'll just copy this one above it. But basically when you put it into a URL, when you add a URL here, there, just by the way, when you do click off it, it'll take it to the bottom because that's the way it's sorted. But if you want to bring it to the top, simply just click the sort there, and whatever you put it under, it will appear. So that there, let's just say, for instance, you've got a lot of links which you're likely to build up, and you're wondering where it's gone to, or you've lost it somehow, then you can just simply do a search here. And I knew that it was a Twitter, so I'll just put it in there, and bang, and there it is. So it's very easy to find as you build. This is the difference with this, is very fast when it's running on your computer, opposed to a lot of things like websites and certain searches. They're not very quick, whereas this is going to be super quick. It's going to be instant. So that's there. And so if I want to put some keywords in here, I might put, who knows, what else would you have with social media, Twitter? I'm just going to put in there, just for the sake of something, keyword. All right, so now I'll come back to here, and I'm sorting that so you can see A to Z. Now along the top here, I can actually choose which section I want to see, so which level. If I only want to see the A's, then I'll click on there and it'll only show me the A, the B's, the C's, etc. Now you can also see that I've created a category here called ABC heading, and that means that I can actually add a heading to each of these. And that's something you may or may not want to do. You don't have to do it, but it's something that I think is a neat little trick that you can do with it. So for instance, C, I know it's accounts, and that way I can see all of those ones. If I come to B is anything related to G4. So I put everything under that category, and A is my important link. So and I suggest you do that, is make sure I recommend that you put A as your most important links, and that way you can just click to A and you should be able to find, maybe 10, 12 different links you would have here, making it very easy to find the important links that you need on a regular basis, rather than having to search each and every time. Now the ABC here, if you click on that, you can see at the top here we've got show all. That shows every single entry. And if we go to ABC, it just shows those ABC headings. And I've set that up specifically. As long as you call it ABC heading, it'll show only those ones. So I can see what categories I've got. A and I can sort it here as well. Just go here, so important, and then G4 related, accounts, blog post. So it allows me to see. Now if I want to add another one here, let's say I go to E and I want to make E another category here. So what I would do is I would come here, add a new line, add it to E, and then make it 0. So that way it goes to the top, and then put it under ABC heading. And then I'm going to call this one, I'll call it marketing. And so that'll be all my marketing links. And you can see it turns blue, and that's because under ABC heading it'll always turn that one to blue. And as I said, make sure you put in the 0 there so it ends up on the top. So when I go here and I hit ABC categories, you'll see that it now appears in there. There it is, marketing E, and there you go. So that way you can create a heading for each and every alphabetic letter there, and there should be more than enough there for you to do what you need to. Okay. There's really not much else to say here other than the different ways to use it. Use it as a way to sort the different links that you're going to use on a regular basis, so you know how to easily find them. Things like locating any spreadsheets you have. You might be using Google Docs, and in there you might have some documents that you're using for certain things that you want to that aren't being calculated in here or tracked in here, and then you can create a link that will go to that, and it just makes it very handy. Okay, that's pretty well it. I will say one more thing. I was going to cover the word search here in the find. So on the word search, then like I said, you can type in any word you like here. So you might want to type in the word guitar. So it'll bring up any of your links that have the word guitar in it. The difference with the find menu here, by the way, is that if I hit the find there, then I can I can narrow down more what I'm looking for. So let's say that I only want to find I want to go to social media, and I only want to find Facebook entries that are in the social media category. And so it'll only show me that particular category where the word Facebook appears. And that's really handy if you've got certain links that fall under under different categories but use the same words, like the word guitar. If I just open that back up, I'll show all. We can see that the guitar is used on the blog, and where else is it used? It's used in the website here for the location. So let's just say I want to find blogs with the word guitar in it. Then I can go to find here. I can go to blog, and then I can type in the word guitar, and so it only finds that particular one. So it helps you to narrow down your search, which makes life very easy. So that's it. Hope that's helpful, and stay tuned for some more videos.